retail developers, commercial developers, private property owners, but it also affects small land developers as well as, in my particular situation in my district, cranberry growers. The growers are also, some of them are involved in sand and gravel removal processes, and quite honestly, I have a particular situation with a grower who has already conceded a good portion of his land, and come to find out I don't know what status the red-bellied cooter turtle falls into, but they've just released hatchlings of this turtle and property adjacent to his cranberry bogs. So he is anticipating that he will now be in a position that he will be losing even more of his property, and again, without compensation. So this is a far-reaching issue that is all across the Commonwealth, including down in southeastern Massachusetts and the Cape. So that's my comment. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And let me just say, I know that the House Chair and I will be communicating with the administration, and Mary Lee, you're here, but you're not able to testify, so you know, haven't given authorization to do that at this point in time. So we will be contacting the administration and finding out what the agency's position is on this particular issue. You know, in particular with some of the issues that have yet to be resolved from the testimony from last year, which has been reiterated, you know, today. I think anyone here on the panel knows, and many of the environmental leaders in the audience would know, but there are a lot of people who sit on this panel that have very, very good environmental records. I being one of them, I'm very protective of endangered species. That's why I voted for, in 1990, the original statute. And I can tell you, as one person who voted for the statute, I know the legislative intent at the time, well, my intent when I voted on it was to have enacted and implemented into law exactly what it says to do. And what I'm hearing as to what is actually going on with this implementation of the law, with the regulations that have been developed, seems to me to be a stretch, far beyond which we had intended. So we'll have further discussion on this, and I thank you all very much for your testimony.